episode of Mr. Nerdy Pants. I am Mr. Nerdy Pants, and today we'll be talking about the colligative properties. Now, what the heck are colligative properties? Colligative properties are properties of solution that depend mainly on the relative quantity of molecules of solvent and solute molecules, but not on the properties of the molecules themselves. What? Let's find out! Basically, colligative properties are any of the properties of the solution that change when the concentration or the number of particles of the solution changes. They depend on the number of particles dissolved in a given mass of solvent. Remember, number of particles. But you may ask yourself, what does that have to do with me? Well, every day when you make a solution such as chocolate milk, coffee, or iced tea, you determine the taste of the beverage with colligative properties. So, taste is a colligative property, along with color and density. But today, we will look at three other examples: vapor pressure depression, freezing point depression, and boiling point elevation. Remember, number of particles. Let's look at vapor pressure depression. But before, what is vapor pressure? Vapor pressure is the pressure of a vapor, the gas particles escaping from a liquid, exerted to the liquid, like the space of vapor on this water. So, vapor pressure depression is the lowering of vapor pressure that occurs when substances or solutes are dissolved in the liquid. For example, when I put salt here, the sodium ions and the chloride ions will attract the dipoles, the positive and negative ends of water, lowering the vapor pressure. Since now, less particles are escaping the liquid. Less particles, less collisions, less pressure. The same way with freezing point depression. By adding substances to a liquid, the freezing point decreases. Boiling point elevation is the opposite. By adding substances to a liquid, the boiling point increases. Remember that boiling point occurs when vapor pressure equals to the external pressure. Now, an example for both freezing point depression and boiling point elevation will be car antifreeze. On winter, it lowers the freezing point so the car's insides do not freeze. On summer, antifreeze acts as a coolant, raising the boiling point, not letting the liquids in the car radiator evaporate away. To find freezing point or the boiling point of a solution, you can use this equation. Remember, number of particles. If a property changes according to the number of particles, then that property is a colligative property. Now, pop quiz. According to what we learned today, which of the following are colligative properties? A. Vapor pressure depression. B. Boiling point depression. C. Density. D. Freezing point elevation. E. Color. F. B, C, and D. G. A, C, and E. H. All of the above. Or I. None of the above. Easy, huh? The answer is G. Good job to those that got it right. Those that didn't, seriously stop.